Hello, everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Cones are like a warning. Be careful! Don't come here! Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Stay safe, Bruner, and watch out for wet cement! Oh, come on! Going all the way around will take forever!
There! Path is clear.
Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me!
Whoa! I'm stuck! Oh no! Micky! Stop spinning your wheels! You're sinking!
The cones. Jin and Poli were right. This is all my fault.
Jin! Robocar Poli Rescue Team! Help! Micky is stuck!
Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue! Sirens on! Let's go!
Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing.
Gotcha, Micky! Hold on tight!
He's not budging. Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull.
I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads. Okay, Bruner, perfect! I've got it!
Coming in, Roy! Get ready!
Perfect, Helly!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks! It's all about support. The pads spread Roy's weight out. Okay, Micky. This is it! Mega winch! P-U-L!
I'm moving! Pull, Roy! Pull! He's free! You did it, Roy! I'm sorry. I thought I was being fast, but I just made a dangerous mess.
Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. They're there to protect you.
Wait! Heads ahead, everyone! What's that sound? His backup alarm is broken! Titan, stop! S-T-O-P! P-H! I've got it!
Are you two okay?
It's heavy. And no, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse! Engineering. We need to build buttresses to hold it up. A little to the left, Bruner. Perfect.
It's stable. Great job, Bruner.
Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed right away.
Another successful rescue for the Robocar Poli Rescue Team! Safety tip. Always check your vehicle's safety sounds before you work. Safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them. If you see a friend in trouble, call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look and listen. Whoops! Oof! Maybe we should use the winch. Whee! It tickles!
Today, we learned about viscosity and traction.
Thanks for joining us. Be safe out there. See you next time, heroes!